Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my finances with some killer business credit hacks. As a business owner, managing your finances effectively is crucial for growth and sustainability. One often overlooked aspect is business credit. By understanding and leveraging business credit hacks, you can significantly improve your financial health. Many entrepreneurs struggle with establishing and leveraging business credit effectively. A common issue is not separating personal and business finances from the start. This can lead to complications when trying to build a solid business credit history. Another challenge is not understanding how business credit scores are calculated, which can make improving them seem like a mystery. Improving your business credit score and obtaining credit lines requires strategic planning. Start by ensuring your business is registered correctly and obtaining an employer identification number. This helps establish your business as a separate entity from your personal finances. Then, open a business bank account to keep your finances organized. Paying bills on time and keeping credit utilization low are key factors in boosting your credit score. To maximize benefits, consider applying for a business credit card or line of credit. This can provide necessary funds for business operations and help build credit when used responsibly. Always read the terms and conditions to ensure you're getting a good deal. Building relationships with vendors and suppliers can also help you establish trade credit, which is vital for business credit. One powerful business credit hack is using a business credit builder program. These programs work by providing a line of credit that you can use to make purchases or pay bills. By repaying these funds, you demonstrate responsible credit behavior, which can significantly boost your credit score. This hack can lead to substantial savings on interest rates for future loans or even qualify you for higher credit limits. To recap, implementing these business credit hacks can have a substantial impact on your financial health. By separating your finances, understanding credit scores, and leveraging credit effectively, you can position your business for success. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear about your experiences with business credit in the comments below. If you're looking for more financial tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos.